everything is under control. I'm fresh as a flower. Everything is falling into places. So thank you for asking. What about you? How are you? How have you
Yes,
been so far?
yes, ma'am. I'm also doing great and everything is going well. So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. So, ma'am, first of all, thank you so much for joining me. And yeah, I want to know a little bit about you because we are meeting very first time here. So, yeah.
Yes, yes. As you said, we are meeting for the very first time. I'm delighted to introduce myself. My name is Pooja. I hail from Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Bangalore with my family. I have done masters with science stream and B.Ed and CTET qualified. Nowadays, I have a bee in my bonnet about learning this language because it's a in global language. And
Mm-hmm.
apart from it, I have created one YouTube channel by the name Learn English with Pooja. Whatever knowledge I have, I just want to impart to others so that they can inspire and they can take initiation from themselves also. And I consider myself positive, go-getter, and tenacious in nature. So that's a bit about me. Thank you.
Yeah, very, very nice and good to know about you. Yes, I can see that you are seriously so, sweet and kind of person. So, yeah.
Thank you. And I'm also curious to know about you because it's our first interaction.
Yes, ma'am, sure. So, as you know, myself Khushi Verma, and I hail from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed my graduation. I hold my bachelor degree. So, yeah. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love singing, and this is my current hobby to love to learn this language with the core of my heart. So apart from this, I am running my YouTube channel as well with the name of GeoZone, where I'm uploading so many videos which is related to English content, like conversational videos, sometimes shorts videos, and sometimes motivational videos as well. So yeah, this is pretty much about me.
Lovely, good to hear about you. And it sounds very like you are very enthusiastic and you are passionate towards it. Okay, so is there any topic and any question do you have? So the ball is in your court. You are
Yes.
free to ask.
Yes, ma'am. There is no any kind of specific topic, but I have some questions for you, which is regarding to your life. I would say, so which reflect your life. I would say. So first of all, I want to know about your journey. So like English learning journey. So how you start, since when you learn this language, and why? Yeah.
Okay. So to begin with, that English is a global language. So we everyone wants to learn
Yes.
and good command over this language. So it was my childhood dream to become eloquent. Still a long way to go because it's a lifelong journey. So if I would say that from where I have started, so it's been 7 months I have started this journey, and on daily basis I'm putting consistent effort on it because it doesn't demand extra effort. And you whatever you are learning with same enthusiastic and we are because we are passionate to learn this language, so I'm also doing this. So little by little I try to keep adding some new vocabularies, expression, idioms, because it is a vast, it's like an ocean. So we are just whatever we are learning, so daily basis I'm just putting. And
Mm-hmm.
Saturday for me that one day I went to attend PTM of my son's school, and then all women were speaking English in I think Kerala that time I was. So after that I thought no, I should speak English.
Okay, yeah, that's amazing journey that you describe. So yeah, I agree with you. Like nowadays, English is really very important. I would say it's really play a vital role because today's society have a big demand of this language, and if you have a good command over this language, so I guess in these days you can do anything else
Yeah.
due to this. Yeah. So, think that if I talk about my society, so there is no big, need of this language. But yeah, if I want to go outside from this area, so there is a big demand of this language. So that's why I'm also learning this language because, yes, I am from English medium school, but if, as I mentioned you, that there is no big, surrounding or the um, surrounding of this language. So I was in school, so there is no big surrounding, and even teacher could not able to speak in English. So that's why I'm learning this language again
Yeah.
because yeah. So on the base
It
of my
happened.
schooling, the people, yeah,
Yeah.
people judge me, like, and they expect me, so expect me like you are from English medium, so you are good at English. But this is not my mistake, but people can't understand this, like there is no surrounding and all.
Yes, and
Yeah.
English medium school, like I have seen at my village also in Uttarakhand as well, there was no any need of this English language. They usually speak Kumaoni language, their local language, and Hindi language. So, but what I felt that their English medium schools are there, but just for the namesake, they are English
Yes.
medium. All teachers, students, they are speaking in Hindi, their own local language. So, but after that, like when I came here, then I realized that yes, English is very important. That because go sometime if I had some work, so I would go to my my kids' school. So Pion is also speaking so fluent speak. So that time I was flabbergasted, yeah, how they can speak English because without having so it doesn't matter because English doesn't demand any degree. It
Yes.
you need
Definitely, because when I didn't able to give reply of anything else, like even single sentence of if someone asked to me any simple word, please translate it, and I was not able to give reply to that word also. So that time I feel literally too embarrassed at that time,
to.
and yeah,
Actually,
and
I had
after that.
also faced.
Mhm.
Actually, sorry for interruption. Actually, I had also faced such kind of embarrassing moment. You know, my sister-in-law, she is a scientist, and she usually speak English with my father-in-law. And she used to speak also at that time also. So they both used to speak in English, and I was feeling very embarrassing, even though I have good degrees, good, uh,
Yes, I can resonate with you because at the time that I asked to you that I feel embarrassed a lot. So at the time, after feeling that kind of the feeling, the people always tease me and always find the uh, time how to ask her, like, you are from English medium, so you are able to give reply even a single things, even single sentence. Tried to ask me a lot, but at the time I was not able to give reply, and I decided to. I want to become a good fluent speaker. Not, I would say, not fluent speaker, but yeah, I want to become a good, have a command over this language. If someone asks anything, so I can able to give reply to those
yeah,
person.
yeah.
And yes, nowadays, some of the people who tease me, so they watched my videos, so I guess they are feeling, oh my God, she's good at English nowadays. So this thing feels me a lot nowadays that okay,
Yes.
they can understand, like, oh, at that time when they tease me or taunt me, so how the girl change everything in your life, and now she's capable to speak with others. So this is a big achievement of my life, I would say. Yeah.
Actually, English builds our confidence and motivation too. And no matter
Yeah.
what degrees you have, as you said, like earlier, they used to think that you are from English medium school. So definitely that you would speak better English. And the same expectation from me as well of the society that I'm living outside from my home. So they usually say that you are living Kerala, you are living Mumbai, and on the top of that, you are higher educated. So English is not like English is a piece of cake for you. But that time I used to think like, is it really that piece of cake for me? But I'm not able to make connection. I'm finding very difficulties over here. Then I realized, yeah, yes, it's very easy, and people judge you by your personality. And like as
Yes.
you said that you are uploading your videos, and even now I'm also feeling the same things. I'm uploading, so my village, my aunties, my taijis, they are thinking that yes, Pooja is so highly educated. Earlier when I got my degrees, that time they didn't realize that I'm educated. Now
Yes. Yes.
like they are judging me by my personality, by my way of speaking. Now they are saying that yes, you are truly you are educated. So English is the language which develop your personality, which give you a different kind of higher position, that okay, you are
Yes.
educated. So yeah,
Mhm.
otherwise it's just a language, yeah, normal language.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
I do believe a lot in this. Like, if someone tease you, or if someone say you and judge you on your personality on the basis of your language, so I do believe don't give reply by your mouth. You give
Yes.
reply by your work.
Yes.
So yes. So
Accents.
I do. Yeah.
Yeah, here I would like to add one point that actions speak louder than word. No need to
Yes.
put your
Yes.
answer on board. You need to show up yourself by action, and then they will think that
Yeah.
okay, the action speaks. Yeah, so
Yeah.
truly
And it's really give a big, happiness to me.
satisfaction also.
Yeah.
That yeah, really we improved.
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
I am
Definitely.
also curious to know about your English journey. How do you practice daily basis apart from this YouTube means conversation? What you do usually at your home?
Okay, so yeah, if I talk about my journey, so it was started in 2022 or 23, I would say. So at that time, I was started my YouTube channel, but that was not the purpose of a specific English learning. But at that time, yeah, I started for teaching another language, that is geography, not language, subject, that is for geography. I taught there, but I left because of some reasons, because of my studies, because of my exams. So that's why I left my channel. Nowadays, I again start my journey, I would say. So it's been 3 or 4 months, I would say. So I don't start my journey from scratch. As I mentioned that my medium is English, so that's why I can able to understand or write or read in English.
Yeah.
So I didn't able to start my journey from scratch. So I did at that time. If I talk about my journey, it's been 3 or 4 months. I started my speaking journey. Once again, I would say. So from there, I in the initial phase, in the beginning, I start from listening a lot because it helps me a lot. This is this is if we listen anything else, so I can observe like we are learning this language naturally. So
Yeah.
this is the best thing, I would say. So I was into the listening a lot. Yes, I'm these days I'm also listening a lot, like conversational videos. I'm following Rajni ma'am, Rajni De, and one or two, 3 person. So I do believe to stick only 2 to 3 person and stick
Yeah.
with one video for 2 to 3 days. So
Yes.
these things which I am doing, like listen conversational videos. Sometimes I help I take help with chat GPT and do
Yeah.
conversation with co-learners as we do. So these are the things. And before some days I was into shadowing as well, but these days I'm not doing shadowing because of my exam. Like it will be in, around the corner. So these days I'm doing passive listening. And yeah, one thing that I prefer myself that is the conversation, because it makes me it boosts me my confidence to speak. Because I guess language, you how you can learn this any language with the help of your mouth. If your mouth become habitual, so I guess you automatically speak in front of other. So these are the things which I'm doing, like listening to conversation, listening something podcast or conversational videos, shadowing, passive listening. So these kind of things I'm doing these days.
And sorry, lovely, good to hear about. And you are the true inspiration that success is earned, not handed by others. So, because every achievement, every success, it demands the result of, like, you have burned the midnight oil, you are earning to lots of things for it. So, yeah, definitely, I couldn't more agree with you that everything, our life will inspire others, but we can know that how consistently we are putting on the right time, right way, right approach we want, because every and we shouldn't lose our hope, because sometimes we try to
Yes.
compare ourselves with others. We shouldn't compare apple with oranges. Everyone has unique caliber, unique ability to learn the thing, and just take a step, one step in a single day, and after that it will count down the lane, you will get real success in your life. So yeah.
My last question, I would say, what is the one what is the one piece of advice you want to give to your audience, want to give to your co-learners who start their journey from scratch and they are just want to learn this language? So, what the piece of advice you want to give to those person?
Yeah, so from my side, one piece of advice is that be positive, because positivity create a immense role in your life. If you are positive, so you always count your blessing, and you will always give gratitude, and you will always see opportunities over challenges. And
Yes.
don't think about obstacle hurdles in your life, because it's a part of growth. It's not the end of your journey, and every mistakes
Yes.
in your life, failure, it comes with and gives us a lifelong experiences and valuable lessons in our life. So we should just pick good things from it, and in our life, and you have a tunnel vision towards your goal, and whatever you are thinking, everything is possible. You need to just in your mind that we have a positive mind and God is with us always, and stay patient, value yourself, your time, give value, because time and tide waits for none. So every setback gives some comeback, so you need to learn from it and be positive. In a nutshell, I would say life is all about obstacle, hurdle, sometimes sorrow moment come, sometimes happiness come. So try to live in a present moment and give worth to yourself and your time as well, and everything will fall into places. Don't think about too much, dwell into your past, your future, because everything is means smoke and mirror, because your past is just a waste paper, it's a tissue paper, you can't do now, and your future is a question paper, you don't know like what would happen in your future. So just present is a newspaper, so you need to read it carefully, wisely, and try to take decision for your life.
Oh my God! Wow, you elaborate it very nicely. Wow. So
Thank you
yeah,
so
ma'am. One thing I want to say that you are really so kind person, and again I observe this feeling. I'm not saying like
much.
watching this, but I don't know why I can feel like the good vibes you are giving me. So yeah, you're
Same
so
feeling
sweet.
is mutual. I'm also feeling the same. It was very insightful conversation, and I'm looking forward to have such kind of great confabulation with you. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye
Okay,
bye. See you.
bye bye. Bye bye. Have a nice